Being happy doesn't mean you have it all. Remember, being happy doesn't mean you have it all. It simply means you are happy in whatever you are having. So by these lines, I would like to wish you a very warm and pleasant good evening to respected directors or people the lesson money not include over here. Here, myself, Rashmi, student of class 6th, student, I am going to explain you a topic and that is the cell. But before starting this topic, I am going to tell you some basic information related to the cell. So word the cell. The word cell was came from the word cellular, which means a small room or a small bed. And cell is also like a small room inside which many kinds of things are represented. The word cell was first used in 1665 by a scientist named Robert Hooke. That's why he is known as the father of cytology. What is the cytology? Cytology means a book or a chapter in which we are able to learn about the cell. So that book or chapter is known as the cytology. So the father of cytology is Robert Hooke. And then we tell you about the cell theory. So the cell theory was introduced in 1863. In the cell theory, the cell is divided into two parts: eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is a cell which is well developed, and prokaryotic cell means a cell which is developed but not as much as compared to the eukaryotic cell. So today I am going to tell you about a simple cell. As you may see here, this is a diagram of a cell. The first part is mitochondria. What is the mitochondria? It is known as the energy plant of a cell. It just provides the energy of the cell, and it is known as the energy plant of a cell. Now the second one is the centrosome. What is the centrosome? It oversees the cell division. What is the cell division? Cell division means whenever a cell dies, so other cell replaced to that cell, and that is known as the cell division. A cell can divide itself into many types, and the process of cell division means whenever a young cell becomes a parent cell, so it divides itself into two parts, and that is known as the cell division. Now the third one is the Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? It is known as the post office of a cell, which packs the lipids and the proteins that it receives from the endoplasmic reticulum. What is the endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is one more part of a cell, and I will tell you about it later. Now the fourth one is the vacuole. What is the vacuole? The vacuole, just like the snow and like is vacuum cleaner. What is the vacuum cleaner? The work of a vacuum cleaner is to clean a room, and in the same way, the work of vacuum is like a dustbin. It manages all the waste of the cell. So like that, vacuole means a dustbin of a cell which manages all the waste of a cell. Now the next one is the cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? It is known as the protein and the energy factory of a cell which provides the protein to the cell to do its function. Now the next one is the nucleus. What is the nucleus? It nourishes the developing environment and oversee the developing cell and the developing cell. Now the next one is the nucleus. What is the nucleus?